Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at the unit conversions of length, precisely how to convert inches to feet. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, in order for us to convert inches to foot or feet, we need to know how many inches will make how many foot or feet. Right, so the basic conversion between inches and foot or feet is we have 12 inches being equal to 1 foot. Okay, so this is the basic conversion, which means 24 inches is equal to 2 feet. Okay, which means from here 36 inches will be equal to what? 3 feet. Okay, so the basic unit conversion over here is the one at the top over here, which means 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. This means that if I have any, for instance, let's say let's have the example 36 inches, and I was told to convert 36 inches into feet. Okay, how many foot to make 36 inches? I don't know how many foot to make 36 inches. So let's look at how we do that. I know that 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Now I have 36 inches over here. I don't know the number of foot it is. So let me make here x. So all I do over here is I cross multiply over here. So I'll have x multiplied by 12 inches. 12 inches is equal to 36 inches multiplied by 1 foot. Okay, so here I have 12x inches is equal to 36 multiplied by 1 is 36, so I have 36 inches foot over here. Okay, I'm just attaching the units so I will see how they cancel out. So here I have inches here to cancel the inches over here ahead. Now I have 12x is equal to 36, so I divide both sides by 12, divide here by 12, and that will give me my x value to be equal to, here will cancel here. Now I have 36 divided by 12, and that will give me what? 3 feet. Okay, as we can see over here in the previous example. All right, so let's continue to look at more examples on how to convert inches and foot. Now note that we said 12 inches equals to a foot. So now, assuming I have 2.4 feet, and I'm to convert it into inches, what is going to be my answer? So I have 2.4 foot. Okay, I have 2.4 feet. I'm to convert it to inches. What I do is I state my initial conversion rate. I know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. Now I have 2.4 feet is equal to x number of inches, which I do not know. So I cross multiply over here. I have 12 multiplied by 2.4. So I have 12 multiplied by 2.4 is equal to 1 multiplied by x. That will give me x. So I have 12 multiplied by 2.4, and that will give me 28.8 is equal to x. So it means x is equal to 28.8 inches, which therefore means that my 2.4 inches my 2.4 feet is equal to 28.8 inches. So basically the whole idea here is that if I have inches and I'm converting it into foot, I divide by 12, and if I have foot and I'm converting it to inches, I multiply by 12. So for instance, if I have 3.6 feet and I want to convert it into what, inches, all I have to do is what, 3.6 multiplied by 12, and that will give me the unit in inches. So let's look at that. 3.6 multiplied by 12, and that will give me 43.2 inches. On the other hand, if I'm given in inches and I need to convert to foot, I divide by 12. So let's look at that. Let's say I have let's say 10.5 inches and I need to convert it to particular number of feet. All I do is I divide by 12. So if I do that, I'll have 10.5 divided by 12, and that's going to give me 10.5 divided by 12. That will be equal to 0.875 foot. Note that I'm jumping between foot and feet because when it is up to 1, it's a foot, and then greater than 1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 2 up, etc., it becomes what, feet. Okay, that is the difference. So when it's 1 is foot, when it's 2 and above is feet. That is what we mean by that. So thank you so much for watching. This is how we convert inches to foot and then foot to inches. When it is inches and you want to convert into foot, you divide by 12, and when it is in foot and you want to convert to inches, you multiply by 12. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.